Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to take another question related to two columns cash book. है ना? It is two column cash book. So two column cash book we are doing. So same like that we had done earlier. Okay. So this is here. This is question number 14 here, and it says compile a two-column cash book from the following transactions of Kavita Garment. So cash book of Kavita Garment. Okay, it is there. So now it says 2017 February 1st, cash in hand 7,500 and cash at bank 8,000. As I told you, it will be entered on the debit side. This is the debit side. So here we shall write here to balance brought down on February 1st 2017, and what was the balance here? 7,500 and 8,000. So 7,500 and 8,000 is the bank balance. Okay. Next it says on 3rd February received a check of 5,880 for cash sale. Check was immediately deposited into bank. When the check is immediately deposited into bank, we just debit the bank for that bank account debit to sales. So here our bank account is increasing, bank balance is increasing with that 5,880. So we will write here 5,880 here, and to sales account, on which date is on 3rd. Okay. Then come the next one. It says received two checks from Kalpana, each of 10,000. Now we have receiving a check, and further it says first check received from Kalpana is endorsed, because till we don't deposit the check, it is lying with us. We cannot show it in our bank column. We cannot enter. So here we have received the check and it is not mentioned that what we have done, and further it is told. If further it is told, then we will not show it in bank column. So this won't be entered on 5th. Then 6th it says first check received from Kalpana is endorsed to Sunita in full settlement of rupees 10,200. Now this 10,000 rupee check was given to Sunita, for 10,200. So here also this, because this is not affecting our cash balance, or this is not affecting our bank balance or cash balance, because what the check we had received, we had given it to this Sunita. So cash and this bank balance, कैश या बैंक बैलेंस इससे इफेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है, क्योंकि ये हमने चेक लिया था, चेक किसी दूसरे को दे दिया. एंड द सेकंड चेक इट सेज सेकंड चेक इज सेंट टू बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन, है ना. नाउ दिस चेक इज डिपॉजिटेड ऑन 6th. सो विद दिस our bank balance will increase. So we have deposited this, so bank will be debited with 10,000, because two checks were received. First was given to Sunita and another one is sent to bank. So 6th we shall show this. 6th we'll enter it here. 6th 6,000 rupees will be deposited in bank, and what we'll write here, this check sent for collection, the bank account debit to this check we had received earlier. So check in hand, to check in hand we will write it here, to check in hand, on 6th it was there. So why this check in hand? Because when we had received this check on this 5th, but we haven't deposited it into bank. So what would be the entry for that in our journal? So check in hand, we have received the check, है ना? So check in hand account debit to Kalpana, and then after then when we are sending this check to for collection, so we will debit the bank and credit the check for collection account, check in hand account, sorry. 8th, second check received from Kalpana is returned as dishonored by the bank, and this check we had deposited in bank has come returned dishonored. The bank has debited our account with rupees 20 as bank charges. So now we will debit the person, this Kalpana, for the amount of check because this check was dishonored. Earlier we had credited the person, the Kalpana, when we had received. Now we will debit him, and not only with the check amount but with the bank charges also. So here Kalpana will be debited with how much? Amount of check 10,000 plus 20 rupees of bank charges. So here what is the journal entry for that? Kalpana is debited to bank and bank to this bank charges. So here what we shall write here, on this is on which date? It is on 8th. So we'll write in February 8th 2017 to Kalpana. So how much? Our account 10,020. 10,000 for the check and 20 for this collection. Then comes the next. Received check from sale of old furniture 1,950. Next day the check is endorsed to creditors. Here also what the check we had received now is endorsed to another person. So bank or cash is not affected with that. So it will not be entered in our cash book. Then comes the next one on 12th. Purchase goods from Mohan on credit for 8,000. When we are purchasing the goods on credit, cash is not going or bank balance is not affected at that time, so it won't be entered. We had purchased the goods from Mohan on credit 8,000 rupees, okay, and on 15th we had settled the account of Mohan by giving a check of 4,000 and cash 3,900. So here 100 rupees discount we have received, but whatever we have paid, it won't be mentioned because discount column is not in our book. Okay, so here Mohan's account by giving a check, so Mohan is debited. So here on this side we will enter to he is this Mohan. So here Mohan, this is by Mohan. So how much it is? We have given 6,000, settled the account by paying 4,000 by check. So 4,000 it will go in bank column and 3,900 in cash column. Cash we have paid this much. Okay, so by Mohan this much, and this is on February 15th it is. Okay, now this next item, it says 16th. Okay, 16th it says goods sold to Pawan for 6,000. He paid the amount of cash immediately after deducting 2.5% cash discount. So this is the cash sale and discount is given. So how much cash we have received? 6,000. Sale is there, 2.5% discount. If we calculate this, 60 into 2.5, 6 to the 12 and 15. Now 150 is the discount. So 150, after giving 150 discount, how much cash we have received? We have received 850, 850 cash we have received. 5,850 to sales account. On which day it is? It is on 16th. So it is on 16th. Okay, it is there. Then come the next, paid salary by check. Salary by check 5,000. So cash is going up. This by this bank balance will reduce. So 5,000 paid salary to by salary. How much, on which date is? It is on 20. So how much? 5,000 rupees. 5,000. So bank column it will be shown. It is paid by check. Then comes the next, cash sale on date 50,000 of which 40,000 was banked. We can show it here. 40,000 paid into bank and 10,000 remained with the cash with us. So cash account debit, bank account debit to sale. So here to sales, to sales we will write here on which date? It is on 25th. 25th to sales. Cash 40,000 is deposited into bank, 40,000 in bank and 10,000 cash. Okay, 10,000 cash. Then paid electricity bill of 2,000 for January by check. Paid rent of January 1,500. Okay, so we are here. We have paid the electricity bill of 2,000 and rent 1,500. So electricity charges account debit, by check, and paid rent. This is cash. This is by check. So in both the cases amount is going out. So here electricity bill 2,000 by check. The 2,000 by electricity charges. How much, on which date it is? 26th, and on 26th by rent 1,500. This is on in cash. By rent 1,500. Okay, then comes cash purchases 5,000, issued a check. Cash purchases 5,000, issued a check. So from bank it is reduced. So on 27th by purchases, how much? 5,000 rupees. So we'll show it here. 5,000 rupees. We'll show it here. 5,000. Okay. Then comes deposited into bank, cash retaining 7,500. Now here first of we have to retain 7,500 with us, and remaining amount we have to deposit into bank. So first of all we should see that how much bank balance is there, the cash balance is there, and remaining keeping 7,500 with us, remaining we will deposit it to bank. So for that, first of all we'll find the balance. Okay, we will find the balance. For that, here we will write on which day it is. It is on 28 by bank account debit. We will write the amount over here, and then whatever amount is there on 28, so we will deposit it 28, and by balance, this will be the balance. 7,500 will be the balance with us. Okay, so first of all we'll take the balance of this. We will total up and then take the balance. Here when we total up this, we find that how much is there, then 50, okay, then 5, 8, 13, 8, 5, 13, and 1 and 1, 2, 23,000 again. So here it is 10,000, okay, 10,000 check, this was there. Received 2 checks from Kalpana, and second check sent for collection here on 6th. On 6th, check in hand 10,000. Now if we total up this thing, then if we total up, it comes 74,330, 74,330, and when we deduct all this amount, 74, then the balance comes 48,310. Okay, then the balance comes, when we total up this thing, then we will if we deduct, and after that we deduct this from this total, and then comes 48,310. This is the balance at bank. So now we will just carry out this balance, this by balance carried out, carried down, we will bring it to the next month, that is March 2000. So we'll write here 2017 March 1st to balance brought down, and 7,500 of cash balance and 48,310 of bank balance. This way it is prepared. Okay, thank you.